Hi folks, this is Rick from AC Cooking and Refrigeration Part 2, Kenmore. This is the evaporator, how it's supposed to look after I defrosted it. I use a torch. Gently. Some plastic here. You got to keep the torch moving. It's plastic back there, and you got electric wires. You can't burn those, so you got to be very careful. But that's how I get all the ice off. Faster. Saves time and money. Okay, so now we got to diagnose it why it's not working. There's a defrost thermostat here called a thermistor, and that is going to probably be bad. Got the electric cow rod heater here. They are very durable. Usually they do not fail. They last for a long time. So I'm going to go with probably this defrost thermistor here. It's a sensor, defrost sensor. So I'll test it and put another one on and get this unit back in operation. Thank you for tuning in. Give us a call for your refrigerator, air conditioning, and heating needs. Any make and model. Refrigerators of commercial units or residential units, we do them all. Thank you very much. Have a great day. 484-764-7738. Thank you.